Tower Cessna 272, Lima Papa, run-up's complete. We're ready to stay in the pattern, requesting the option if available this morning.
272 Lima Papa, Caldwell Tower, make right traffic report midfield, wind 2306, runway 22 at November, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 at November, 272 Lima Papa.
Alright, we're good to go.
Golf is around 6 miles to the north.
Alright, aligned with the runway.
779 or
and our takeoff bar is set, airspeed's coming alive.
Transition to
He's around the green.
we are like around 6 miles away.
9 or altimeter 3038, transition to call class Delta is approved.
And we're weather vaning right there.
Approved, 709 Golf.
Alright, I got the golf course in sight.
743 Sierra Echo Caldwell, ground runway 28, taxi via Alpha November.
Tower Cessna 2 Lima Papa is midfield right now, wind 22.
2 Lima Papa, wind 2207, runway 22, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 22, 272 Lima Papa.
Alright, we are cleared for the option. And at 1500 RPM, right there, below 110. We're flaps 10, we're going to pitch for 8 knots.
Tower 64 Papa is runway 22 at November, ready for departure.
2 Lima Papa, traffic departure prior arrival, we're rolling now.
Roger, 2 Lima Papa.
Got the runway. Wind's right down the runway. Alright, got the runway. Ooh. Rock and rolling now. Looking good, 65 knots. Start to bring the power back. And runway's power is idle. A little bit of left rudder. Alright, flaps up, let's roll. Alright. 50, 55, rotate, and there it is, my first touch and go as a private pilot. Perfect.
Tower Cessna 64 Papa is midfield.
64 Papa, stay type landing.
Tower Cessna 2 Lima Papa is midfield right now, wind 22.
2 Lima Papa, wind 2208, runway 22, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 22 Lima Papa.
Alright, so now it's gusting, and you're seeing the airspeed actually beat out from under us, which means that the aircraft can actually stop flying at any time, which is not what I want. So I'm going to trim down, keep that nose coming down, and keep the power in a little bird. Don't become a factor. Alright, bird. Okay, jeez. Almost had to go around for that bird right there. Let's go power idle. And throw. Our flaps up. 50, 55, 60, rotate. I mean, even at 1,000 feet a minute, I can't get the airspeed under 80 knots, even though VY in this thing is 74, so it just goes to show it's very high pressure, very cold, and it gives this thing an awesome climb rate.
2 Lima Papa, wind 2308, runway 22, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 22 Lima Papa.
Yeah, pretty much. So this is actually nice. It's good practice. To the right of the golf course. All right. Turning in towards Willowbrook.
Control on that aircraft. Use caution for birds on the approach of runway 22. They're flying over the tree line pretty low.
And I definitely saw a lot of those birds.
Tower Cessna 64 Papa is runway 22 at November, ready for departure.
5464 Papa Caldwell Tower, hold to runway 22 at November, landing party traffic.
Hold and short at 22 at November, Dakota Papa. Ready for taxi via active, southwest bound.
Roman 88 Romeo, runway 22 at November, taxi via November.
Taxi to 22 November via November 88 Romeo.
A little bit lower. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Okay.
4 Romeo, Papa, wind 2207, runway 22, clear touch and go, traffic departure prior to arrival.
Runway 22 clear, touch and go, 4 Romeo, Papa.
Kite 2 Lima, Papa, same intentions.
I would like taxi back for departure close traffic.
Kite 2 Lima, Papa, taxi 22 at November with me via Papa November.
22 at November with you, Papa November, 2 Lima Papa.
So, that was a hard landing.
4 pop, in case I didn't say it after touch go, make right traffic, and use caution for lots of birds over the trees just east of 22.
Yep, right traffic after touch and go, and sounds like a free breakfast.
Look, I don't know if the camera's getting that. That's a lot of birds. Oh my god. It's like a ritual cyclonic thing. I don't get it. That's actually kind of cool. Yeah, alright, let me fix this while I'm not accelerating.
Tower Cessna 2 Lima Pop is ready for departure, 22 at November.
272 Lima Pop, call tower, hold short of runway 22 at November, landing, departing traffic.
Holding short 22 at November, 2 Lima Pop.
Track 2 Lima Pop, traffic in the upwind is also remaining in right close pattern, wind 2308, runway 22 at November, clear for takeoff.
22 at November, clear for takeoff, Cessna 2 Lima Pop. Tower Cessna 2 Lima Papa is at the approach number runway 22.
Right 2 Lima Papa, number 2 on traffic, right base, wind 2208, gust 14, runway 22, clear for the option.
Traffic inside, runway 22, clear for the option, 2 Lima Papa.
Start turning.
64 Papa, hold short runway 22 at November, traffic landing. Hold and short.
Aw, new control.
64 Papa, at 22 at November.
It was awesome. Alright. That left rudder in. Ups up. Hit it. And they're up. Alright, that was a little bit scary, but
Tower Cessna 2 Lima Papa, midfield right down 122.
Strike 2 Lima Papa, number 2, following Cessna traffic, short and final. Wind 220 at 9er, gust 14, runway 22, clear for the option.
Got that traffic in sight, runway 22, cleared for the option, 2 Lima Papa.
got that traffic there. Alright, we'll start configuring. Alright. So, 210 at 9er gust 14 when it was just a right crosswind. Now it's a left crosswind, so the winds are moving. 9 gust 14 is almost exactly what I saw on the TAF, which is what I was expecting today. We got a couple of calm landings in, but now it's the tough stuff. Now still a bit of a right cross. 65. Keep it coming, a little bit of left rudder, right aileron. Ups up. Alright, take off power set. 55, rotate.
Wind 250 at 10, gust 16, runway 22, clear to land.
Now it's 10,
clear to land.
Yeah, there it is. There it is. That's the gust.
Tower Cessna 2 Lima Papa, midfield right down 122.
Track 2 Lima Papa, number 2, following Cessna traffic, about a half-mile final. Wind 220 at 10, gust 16, runway 22, cleared for the options.
We're looking for that traffic to, we got the traffic in sight. Number 2, runway 22, clear for the option, 2 Lima Papa.
Alright, good.
Grand 518 Quebec, Caldwell Tower, runway, Caldwell ground, runway 22, taxi via Charlie Papa, hold short of runway 28.
Full power. Take off power set. 50, 55, rotate. There we go. That was my best one yet. Yeah, and this isn't a crosswind, this is just gusty. It's like a straight headwind here. A little bit of left rudder is really all you need right now, but oh boy, on the departure is that bumpy. You don't want passengers in this kind of weather.
Strike 2 Lima Papa, wind 220 at 11, gust 18, runway 22, clear for the option, 1 departure prior to your arrival.
Clear for the option 22, and I have the traffic on the ground in sight. We'll keep an eye for him till we move up.
inside 50. Oh, okay. Oh, that was a scary departure. We'll talk about that one.
And that's out of bounds by when I get back to it.
Let's do a full stop, take a breather here. The winds are pretty intense right now. Are those tires doing okay? I don't know. I hope so. Alright, tires. Take that right rudder, stay coordinated. Hello, houses. Don't get too close to the houses.
Tower Cessna 2 Lima Papa is midfield right down 122.
Sky 2 Lima Papa, wind 2107, gust 18, runway 22, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 22 Lima Papa.
That was lucky.
Papa, roger, continue right close traffic.
Right close traffic, 2 Lima Papa.
I didn't like how that looked. That was no good. I think I'm calling it. I'm gonna come in for a full stop after this one. We'll call it. Good. This is the kind of winds that New Jersey has this time of year. So it's really good to practice in what is a very controlled environment. You got a tower, a lot of towns right around, multiple options out. Morristown, Teterboro, Lincoln Park, but Morristown, Teterboro airports are super close by if you need outs to bigger runways.
Tower Cessna 2 Lima Papa is midfield right down 122.
Sky 2 Lima Papa, wind 2208 9er, gust 15, runway 22, clear for the option.
Clear for the option. This will be a full stop on runway 22 Lima Papa.
Roger.
See if we can make this one good.
Sky 2 Lima Papa, no need to respond. Helicopter traffic departing the field will remain east of your runway.
Take my time. Whoa, that was my best one.
Sky 2 Lima Papa, left at Delta, same attention.
Left the Delta with it, taxi back to Airfleet.
Sky 2 Lima Papa, taxi to Airfleet via Papa November Alpha, remain this frequency.
Papa November Alpha with you, 2 Lima Papa.
Alright, after landing checklist is complete. Cameras are still on. Hello everyone, what's still with me? First solo flight as a private pilot, and it was not easy. That's okay. We don't need it to be particularly easy.